Hey, what's up guys? This is Hans again and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna talk about the so-called beginner's credit card. Ano ba talaga yung beginner's credit card at ano yung mga credit cards na masasabing pang beginner talaga? So, I'm gonna share my top 5 idea of a beginner's credit card. So, if you're interested, stay tuned. A beginner's credit card, for me, guys, is something that would help new users build their credit history and also help them learn to manage credit responsibly. And let's go ahead and discuss my first criteria of a beginner's credit card. So, the first criteria that comes to mind is that a credit card should have low annual fees or no annual fees at all. Why? Because whether you use the card or not, you don't have to worry about paying it at the end of the year just to maintain the card. So it minimizes the cost. And at the same time, may mga credit cards na ino-offer mga banks na kahit wala siyang annual membership fees, may mga benefits pa rin and perks that you can enjoy. Like say for instance, my China Bank Freedom Platinum MasterCard. From the name itself, platinum siya, so you get platinum benefits and yet there is no annual membership fee. So, walang extra cost na babayaran siya at the end of the year kasi wala siyang annual membership fees. May mga promotion din yung mga banks sometimes wherein if you meet a certain spend requirement within a certain period of time, like 60 days perhaps, then wala kang babayarang annual membership fee for life. So, yun yung number one criteria ko. So, the next criteria, I'm sure marami mag-react nito, is a credit card, a beginner's credit card should have a low credit line. You may be asking, bakit naman? So guys, if you start with a new credit line, it's easier to manage and also would help you avoid getting into a situation na lubog ka na sa utang. Alright? Kung for example, 50,000 yung credit limit mo or lower than that, let's say, lagyan natin 50,000. So yung 50,000 guys, at kung na-max out mo yan at hindi mo siya nabayaran ng buo, eventually, after a few months or so, mas madali siyang mababayaran kasi maliit na yung amount. Now, imagine, pag yung credit limit mo is 300,000 at naisipan mo bumili ng iPhone. How much is the iPhone? 75, 80,000? And then, nag-travel ka pa. Ano that? So, mga bagay na ganun, bumili ka pa ng appliances, bumili ka pa ng trip tour, concert tickets and all that. So, may mga bagay guys na andun, yung mga pangarap mong bilhin at gawin, nasa harap mo na, wala kang cash, pero meron kang isang plastic card na may lamang 100,000, 50,000, or 100, ganung pera or more than that. Siyempre, papasok yung madidemonyo akong baga. Sabihin sa'yo na, sige, swipe mo muna yan. Tapos, meron ka lang papasok na bonus next month eh. Or, may 13th month naman sa next month eh. Yung mga bagay na ganun. So, in a way, again, depende sa tao. May mga taong mabilis matokso. So, but if your limit is limited, right? So, it would actually hinder you from, going to a situation na mahirapan ka ng bayaran. At good thing about having a small limit is that since it's easier to manage, pag nakita ng bangko na, okay, this user managed to pay the balance in full every month, or manage to keep the account in good standing, kasi maliit na yung limit mo eh. So, syempre, magtitiwala ang bangko sa'yo. Versus, 500,000 yung limit mo, and then, nababayaran mo nga siya, minimum lang. So, it would take you, 100 years to pay it off? Di ba guys? Ganun kasimple. So, for me, a beginner's credit card should have a low credit limit to help users learn and manage their credit responsibly. Gaya ng minadyo nyo kanina. So, yung number 2. Alright, so yung number 3 na criteria na naisip ko is easy approval requirement. There are credit cards out there that would only require an annual income of 180,000. Meron ding, like kay China Bank ata is, kay China Bank is 250,000. Kay BPI, yung mga lower tier nila, like Gold Card, Amore, Blue, and all that, nasa mga 380,000 yung annual income niya. Siyempre, meron silang 1 million. May mga credit cards na nag-offer ng, or nagre-require ng 750,000 and more or above pa. So, yun. So, may mga credit cards na sobrang daling applyan. An example of that is the UnionBank U Platinum credit card. Yung Freedom Platinum ni China Bank. Meron din M-Free ni Metrobank. Si PNB meron din yung Zilo. At marami pang iba. So, if you want a credit card na gusto mo mabilis ma-approve, so maghanap ka ng ganong klaseng credit card, guys, na mababa lang yung annual income. Alright, so number 4 is educational resources. So, ano yun? Alright? So, basically, guys, may mga credit cards na nag-offer ng educational resources such as BPI. Sa BPI, makikita mo siya sa app niya, sa mobile app nila. Meron silang mga topics and insights na they usually share that you can, free to read in a way. So, in a way, it's gonna teach you how to manage your finances, how to save money, how to use your credit card and all that. Si Atome din, meron ganun din. Nagsisend sila, nasa app din siya available, and sometimes nagsisend sila sa email teaching you how to manage your credit effectively. And usually, it's more of like how to increase your credit limit. Si China Bank din, may ganong klaseng mga resources as well na nag-share sila. Why? Because, guys, a beginner's credit card should teach new users to build their credit history. Kasi yun yung goal natin eh. Yeah, lalo na yung mga new users and mga first time card holders. For sure, maraming mga tanong yan. So, it's important that may guide sila in a way, and it's a good thing that there are banks that offer that kind of help. So, it's a plus for me when a bank would usually send out emails or, have topics that you can talk about or topics that would help new users na mag-build ng credit, help them manage their credit card. Right? So, you can always contact them in customer service, no problem. Plus, there are video tutorials on YouTube that you can always watch naman, so things like that. But still, it's a plus kung yung bangko mismo ang tutulong sa'yo. So, that's number 4. And finally, our number 5 is rewards program. So, at least kahit man lang basic na rewards program, it doesn't have to be so extensive. At least nag-earn ng points. Kasi in a way, it motivates someone to really do good with their credit cards kasi nag-earn siya ng rewards. So, di ba, laging masaya naman yung feeling pag rewarding yung ginagawa mo. At the same time, like what I always say, na it's always a plus kung yung credit card na meron ka earns rewards. Although, merong isang credit card na maganda sana, maganda naman siya. Forget about the sana na word. Maganda siya. Kaso lang, I guess if we can put it that way, kaso lang, hindi siya nag-earn ng points. And that is yung UnionBank na U Platinum. So, makuha mo lang is rebates towards the interest. Pero sayang, kung nag-earn siya ng rewards, sana, mas okay yung credit card. Kasi, di ba, platinum yung pangalan ng card and then walang points. Buti na lang kay China Bank, yung no annual membership fee for life na credit card na Freedom Platinum, nag-earn pa rin siya ng points, which is a good thing. And it's a plus. It's always a plus if you earn either cashback, points, miles, whatsoever. So, that's number 5. All right, so guys, that's the end of our top 5. So if you have a beginner-friendly credit cards that you'd like to recommend, please feel free to put that in the comment section. And well, what do you think about the list that I prepared for you guys? So do you think there should be another criteria that should be on the list that I missed to mention? You can always put that in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to read and comment to your comments. Redundant siya. But anyways, so guys, if you find this video interesting, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And please hit that bell notification bell icon para updated kayo at you will be getting reminders once I upload new videos on my channel. So again, this is Hans. See you next time.